If you ship internationally, customs clearance is not optional. Every shipment crossing a border must go through a legal review process before it can enter the destination country. In this video, I'll explain how customs clearance works, what documents are required, why shipments get delayed, and how the process unfolds step by step. What is customs clearance? Customs clearance is the official procedure that allows goods to enter or leave a country legally. When the shipment arrives at an international border, customs authorities verify three main things. First, what the goods are. Second, how much they are worth. Third, whether they comply with local import regulations. Based on that review, they calculate any applicable import duties and VAT. Only after approval and payment, if required, is the shipment released for delivery. If documentation is incomplete or incorrect, the shipment is placed on hold. What do customs authorities evaluate? There are several critical elements in every clearance process. The first is customs declaration. This formally states what is being shipped. Next is the HS code, the Harmonized System Classification Number. This code determines the duty rate, whether restrictions apply, and whether additional licenses are required. Incorrect HS codes are one of the most common causes of delays. Then there is the commercial invoice. This document includes sender and recipient details, description of goods, quantity, unit value, total value, country of origin. Customs uses this invoice to calculate duties and VAT. They also assess the declared value. Under-declaring value may reduce taxes in the short term, but it exposes the shipment to penalties, fines, or seizure. Finally, customs determines whether the shipment requires inspection. Inspections are either random or triggered by risk factors. For example, high-value goods, unclear descriptions, or controlled product categories. Documents required for customs clearance. A commercial invoice, a customs declaration, correct HS codes, and depending on the goods, certificates or import or export licenses. The required documentation varies by destination country and by product type. Another important factor is Incoterms. Incoterms define who is responsible for paying duties and VAT, the sender or the recipient. If this is not clearly agreed in advance, shipments can be delayed while payment responsibility is clarified. Step by step, how the customs process works. Let's walk through the process in order. Step 1. The shipment arrives in the destination country and is transferred to a customs facility. Step 2. Customs reviews the documentation electronically or manually. Step 3. Duties and VAT are calculated based on the HS code and the customs value. Step 4. If required, the shipment is selected for inspection. Not every shipment is opened. Many are cleared based on documentation alone. Step 5. If taxes apply, payment must be made before the goods are released. Step 6. Once approved, the shipment is released to continue to final delivery. If there are issues, missing documents, unpaid charges, restricted goods, the shipment remains on hold until resolved. Why do shipments get stuck in customs? From a logistics perspective, most customs delays fall into a few categories: incorrect or missing HS codes, incomplete commercial invoices, mismatch between declared contents and actual goods, unpaid duties or VAT, or restricted and prohibited items. It's important to understand that customs regulations vary significantly by country. A product that is freely importable in one market may require certification in another. That's why preparation before shipping is essential. Common questions. Now let's go through some frequently asked questions. How long does customs clearance take? If documentation is correct and no inspection is required, clearance can take only a few hours. If documents are missing or inspection is triggered, it may take several days. What triggers inspection? High-value goods, ambiguous product descriptions, controlled items, or random selection. Who pays customs duties? That depends on the agreed Incoterms. Responsibility must be clearly defined before shipment. Can customs open packages? Authorities have the legal right to inspect shipments to verify compliance. What happens if the declared value is incorrect? Customs may reassess the value, impose penalties, or seize the goods. Summary. Customs clearance is a structured, rule-based process. It is not unpredictable when documentation is accurate and compliance requirements are understood in advance. Successful international shipping depends on correct classification, accurate documentation, clear responsibility for taxes, and compliance with destination regulations. When those elements are in place, customs clearance becomes procedural rather than problematic. And that's all on how customs clearance works. For more details on customs and shipping documentation, see the links in the description. Thanks for watching!